Hi, Dan Acre, Operations Manager, Weapons Curator at the Ontario Regiment Museum, located in Oshawa, Ontario. So this is basically the penultimate version of the Lee-Enfield rifle. This is the Mark IV Enfield. So this was the one that came into service. It was gradually integrated in service during World War II. There are other variations, including a jungle carbine, which had a shorter barrel, a flash hider, and a shorter stock. But this was sort of the last version of the Enfields. A very nice rifle. It was used, I think, officially with the British Army until 1957, when it was replaced by FN-FALs. In fact, this rifle was in service with the Canadian Army, a special branch of the Canadian Army called the Canadian Rangers. A lot of people hear about the Canadian Rangers, have this vision of Canadian commandos wandering around slitting throats at night and that sort of thing. The Canadian Rangers were actually people who lived way up north, a lot of Aboriginals, among others, who would basically be issued with a rifle and a number of rounds every year, and they would receive some training, and their job was to wander around in the north and see if they found any indication of enemy submarines surfacing or across the pole invasions. And they have been used to support Canadian Forces training in the far north. So the Canadian Rangers actually, among other things, would receive a rifle, and they would receive a number of rounds every year to assist them with their hunting, but also they had to maintain those rounds at least for the year in case they had to fight off an enemy invasion coming across the Great White North. Thank you.